I'm going to explain 5 ways to make your first 36 to 48 hour fast a breeze. You may have already tried an 18 to 24 hour fast, and you want to push it to the next level. Before that, it's important to know why you are fasting in the first place. Ask yourself these questions. Why did I click on this video? Why do I want to fast? If your reason for fasting does not relate to overall health and longevity, then you need to reevaluate things. Losing weight and chasing a number on the scale is not a good enough reason. Chasing a number is not ideal for giving yourself a chance to adhere to a fasting lifestyle. Choose health first, and the superficial aspects that come from fasting second. Let us know in the comments what your reason for fasting is. We want to know. First, go low carb leading up to your fast. This will make your body transition into ketosis more smoothly. It's important to do this so that your body is fat adapted. This alone is extremely powerful, and it will allow you to get through your fast with ease. Second, while fasting, take sodium, potassium, and magnesium. You can choose to simply add sea salt to your water as you hydrate throughout the day. This is very effective for controlling hunger while on a prolonged fast. Number 3, drink sparkling mineral water. The carbonation in the water suppresses hunger hormones that are sure to come intermittently throughout the day. You will feel full and be less likely to break your fast. The fourth hack is to do a light workout first thing in the morning. This will help you control cortisol and manage stress by increasing endorphins. You will need these feel-good hormones as a replacement for food. And lastly, stay plugged in. You aren't alone. Watch fasting videos that talk about all of the benefits to remind yourself that you are choosing to heal your body. You can also write down your list of whys throughout the day as another reminder. The instant gratification of breaking your fast early and getting a cheap quick hit of dopamine from food does not outweigh your whys. Remember, to achieve something different, there must be some temporary discomfort. You got this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for science-based videos on health and longevity.